makeover project, babe.
That's what you want to call it?
This journey, definitely, what?
What? What is it?
It's gonna be huge, us redoing our kitchen, so we're excited. I'm excited anyway. Well, I could be excited because I don't have that much work to do. So we're on our way to Home Depot to look at some backsplashes, and we're gonna make a cover for our stove because our stove is in the middle of the island in the kitchen, and we want to be able to use the island as an island when we're not cooking on it. So we have some measurements for that, and yep, so you're gonna have to stay tuned to see how the kitchen comes out. Right, babe?
That's right. Stay tuned.
So we finally made it. We're here at Home Depot. The first thing we're gonna do when we go inside is get our piece of wood cut to our measurements.
You got 31. You got 31 and a half there.
31.
Okay, so after getting the wood cut, while they are cutting it, we walked on over to the aisle where they had the legs, and they had a ton that you can choose from, guys. Different shapes, different sizes, long ones, short ones. So we just went and picked some that were to our liking as well as in our price range. I'm showing you here the different kinds. They had the different prices, so I think we're gonna go with this one right here. It's not too high and it's definitely in our price range. Now we have to pick out some brackets that we can put on the riser to hold the legs on, and we're going to go with these right here. They are perfect. They fit in the corners of each of the wood that we had cut.
You need to be right to this edge. It's going to be 37 1/4 maybe. Yeah. And then once you cut that, then this guy will sit right here. And that guy will sit right over there.
All right. So we have the wood cut to make our stovetop cover or island riser. So they cut it for us here. We have the legs in here, the paint and the paint stain. See right there. So we're all set and ready to go. When you go through Home Depot, it's like you're the only person in the store and nobody's here to help you. So let's make our way around here. I have no idea where Simi is. I'm just lost in Home Depot. I have no idea what I'm doing. But we're gonna make it work. When I'm done shopping, and Simi's still shopping. Patiently waiting. After waiting for Simi in Home Depot, you guys, for like I'm gonna say maybe an hour, hour and a half. We finally made it home. He's showing me right here how to sand the wood down. I had to do it on both sides, and this took me not too long, maybe about 2 hours. He's also here showing me how to do the legs. I'm going to take over, and I hope you guys are just enjoying the video so far. Here I just wanted to show you guys what the side of the riser looks like with the knobs in place. So here's what it looks like. And after the brackets were put on and the knobs were in place, just wanted to give you guys an idea of how it looked underneath the bottom. Here I just wanted to give you an up close and personal look at the brackets. The brackets were very easy and simple. You just kind of drill the holes, use the screws, put them in, and then screw in your legs. And here's the before of my kitchen island. You see that our cooking plate, you guys, is in the middle of the island. Not being able to use this space was a little bit frustrating. My family would come in and everybody would set their bags and pocketbooks, especially my mom, on top of this, forgetting that it's not only an island, it's our cooking plate as well. So the island riser was definitely a very good idea. Here's the after. I'm very happy with the outcome. I would like to take this time to thank my hubby for helping me put this thing together, and Be My Guest with Denise for giving me the idea for putting this table riser together. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys on my next video.